What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. In this video, well, my name is Richard Allen, by the way. In this video, we're going to talk about the most requested thing I get on my channel. It's to talk about this guy. Who the hell is that guy? I did my hair differently today, as you can see. And my favorite comment from the Roblox video that I just posted is, "You look like this guy." I've never seen this person in my life. But I guess I did my hair in honor of the Heat Miser. All right, if you know who the Heat Miser is, give him a high five for me. Looks like a creep. Guys, the market, I did my hair in honor of the market. Crazy hair, crazy market. You know what I mean? No, that wasn't my intention. But I do want to talk about the market right now. Let's just pull up GameStop, for instance, okay? We're going to go to GameStop. We're going to pull up the 1 minute candles, okay? And we're going to just look at GameStop for a second, okay? Today, GameStop got to a high of almost $350 right here. Just minutes ago, right? I mean, minutes, lots of minutes. But in a matter of minutes, it dropped from $350 down to $172. It got halted at $216 or something like that. And it dropped all the way to $172, and now it's back up to $251. What is happening? What is happening in the market right now? It's absolute madness. And what I would encourage you to do, because a lot of people are asking me, what do I do? Should I buy this? Should I buy that? Be patient. Be patient with this market, because the market hasn't decided whether it wants to go up or down. We had a 4% increase in the NASDAQ. That is a massive, massive move, and we're still holding strong above $13,000 in the NASDAQ. I want to show you that here, okay? If we go just to, let's say, the 1 month chart on the NASDAQ, we're still down from highs of 14,000 that were set back in the middle of February. We're down, 7%, okay? But we had a massive, massive gain Monday through Tuesday. We had massive, massive gains, 4% back up. And that's huge for the NASDAQ. That's a massive gain in terms of a day, right? Now, we're still holding strong above 13,000, and I like that. I really, really like that. If it breaks below 13,000 again, that would worry me, okay? Now, what should you do in this sort of market? I would encourage you to be patient. I would encourage you to also look for deals. I would encourage you not to chase things that are rising very, very quickly, because I guarantee you, I'm going to go back to the GME chart, the GameStop chart. I guarantee you there were people that were buying right here at $350, and that's fine, but they didn't see this coming, right? They didn't see this coming, and they're like, oh my God, I'm going to miss out on the run up, right? And that's the potential way to lose a lot of money in this market, because again, the market hasn't decided whether it wants to go up or down or stay sideways or whatever, right? And I'm hoping that the market decides what it wants to do. And what do I mean by decides? The institutions decide whether they want to pump money back into tech or not. Retail investors stop being skittish, right? I'm waiting for people to decide where they want the market to go before I decide what to invest in. Now, I've been making a lot of purchases in my long-term portfolio. We've talked about that. I bought some Invitae, I bought some Nano Dimension, I bought some Neo, I bought some Tesla. There have been some crazy, crazy deals in the market over the past few weeks. Now, this could be the beginning of the market recovering. I was worried we were going to see another massively exuberant day today in the market, and my worry there was that we would see a pullback or people taking a lot of profits at the end of the week, and that would spook the market again. I'm glad that there are stocks that are rising today and stocks that are falling, that it seems like more of a normal market today than it has in a long time. So if you're worried about the market right now, today, I would encourage you to just sort of pay attention. If you look through I have a big watch list here. If you look through some of the stocks, Palantir, for instance, up 2.5% today. Nano Dimension down 1.5%. Peloton down 1.8% after a big run. These three had big runs yesterday. IPOE up 4.75, now 5% today. Open Door up 8.5%. FRX, that's a SPAC we've been talking about over on the Discord, down 3% today. GHVI, this is a SPAC taking Matterport public, up 4.5% today. BFT, Bacon for My Tomatoes, down almost 2% today. Crazy deal on a company taking a massive fintech company, PaySafe, public. Senseonics up 4.8% today after going below $3 for a little bit today as well. Pins up 2.5% today after falling the other day to $67. AQMS Aquametals, this is one we've talked about on my channel a lot, down 1.2% today. MP Materials staying pretty flat today. Romeo Power up another 3% today after having a big couple of days. Clove, this is one that's getting hit really hard by short seller reports. This was IPOC. And this is down a little bit, pretty flat actually. Space back above $30. This is one that Chamath sold all of his personal holdings in the other day. AMD, NSH is a space SPAC we've talked about recently. SFTW, this is one I just purchased as well the other day. Another space SPAC merging with Black Sky. Very cool companies, guys. There are a lot of opportunities out there right now. If you look at Riot and Mara, Riot up 7.5% today. Mara up 1.8% today. There are deals out there still, okay? But there are some losers as well. And that's what more of a normal market looks like, right? You guys know that, right? Normal markets, there's winners and losers, right? In abnormal markets, right, where, well, not abnormal markets, but in a bear market, right, things just kind of go down, and there's fewer winners, okay? In a bull market, everything's going up. I like to see this in the market right now, that things are going up and down, that there's a little bit of volatility, but not crazy exuberance to the upside or crazy panic to the downside. I like this sort of price action a little bit better, and I'm gonna wait probably a couple more days to let the market kind of shake out and decide what it wants to do. Again, it's up to us, okay? It's up to the people that are buying, that are selling, that are invested with their real cold, hard cash in the market, okay? So you have to decide what you want to do. Are you a buyer or a seller right now? Or are you just holding? I'm waiting out to let the market shake out. I know not everyone is doing that, obviously, because there were people buying GME at $300 today, and it's crazy volatile right now. We have the 1 minute chart up, and look at these crazy price action. Like these crazy candles are big, like $50 price ranges. Massive movements here. Roblox is another one we talked about. I talked about today. We still don't have a definitive price on this yet. But it's looking like I'm almost certain that it's going to debut above this $45 price here. So, guys, that's it. There's a spider on my light. It's crawling around. It's just a little guy. It's one of those jumping spiders, I can tell. It wants to jump in my hair like the heat miser. Just hang out there. Build a little home. It's a lot of cool stuff. Maybe I will never do my hair like this again. I think... somebody said I was like Super Saiyan. Probably said that wrong. I'm sure that's like a Dragon Ball Z thing. Maybe it's some other anime. Maybe it's not anime at all. I don't know. Guys, let me know in the comments if you want me to keep doing crazy hair. Or if maybe I shouldn't cut my hair until the market goes back to normal. I don't know. That'd be fun. And then continue to wear it up, you know? Until it's like out of the frame, like way up here. That'll take a long time. I'm hoping the market goes back to normal before then. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. I appreciate it. As always, if you didn't already do it, hit that beautiful red subscribe button right down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.